So as you can see here, we've got a menu bar on the sides, and we'll go in a little bit more detail to what each of these icons mean. As you can see here, these are your Hootsuite Streams. So this is what you have now connected to your Hootsuite account in the steps 1 to 7 that I just talked through. So Hootsuite Streams display the content from your social networks in your dashboard. This is where you can monitor your networks and engage in social conversations. You also have a help center here, and then account management, so just general account management such as password settings and things like that. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit more detail about streams here and what exactly that they are. So streams display the content from your social networks in your Hootsuite dashboard in separate columns. For example, you've got your tweets, you can look at your likes from Facebook, your likes from Twitter. You can also track new followers, for example, any trending hashtags. So for example, in the charity sector, you have the Charity Tuesday hashtag. You might want to track that. You can also look at your Facebook pages and your Instagram posts. Streams are organized underneath these tabs here. And each Hootsuite account, you can add up to 20 tabs. And each tab can hold up to 10 streams. So you can see here, we've got the Twitter tab, and then we've got these individual streams underneath it. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit more detail about your Hootsuite menu bar and exactly what all these things mean. So here you've got the streams. We've just talked a little bit in detail about what streams are. So streams display the content from your social networks on your Hootsuite dashboard. You've got your inbox, so you can view and respond to your social media messages. This is available with the paid for plans. You've got publisher. So this is where you view and manage all your scheduled posts in one calendar view. You've got analytics. So you can see and track how your social media activity is performing. This is also with the paid for plans. Assignments, you can manage inbound message responses by assigning them to team members. This is also available with paid for plans. App directory, free and paid for add-ons and integrations. Amplify, this allows your employees to share approved content across their social networks through a mobile app. Then you've got tools. So within this, you can gain access to Hootsuite Academy. This is really great as you can get further training through Hootsuite. They do lots of great webinars themselves. So I think this will be a really good tool for you guys to go and look at after this webinar and once you're already set up. And then you've got the help, so the online help. If you have any issues, you want to raise any tickets with Hootsuite, you can also ask them here.